How to use AliExpress coupon code. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can use AliExpress coupon code. Now before this, what you can do is you can get a coupon code, or how you can check your coupon code. Simply open up your AliExpress app here and head into your account by tapping on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. And here, if you tap on the coupons option under payments and discounts, you'll be able to see if you have any coupons. If you don't have one, what you can do is you can head into your browser and there you can search in for AliExpress coupon, and you can head into any of these links here and get a single promo code from here. Now I'll just select this very first one and I'll just select this one. You can see you can copy it from here by tapping on copy. Once you do so, you want to head into AliExpress app. Now what you want to do is you want to head into home page. You want to search in for the product that you want to buy. Now I'll just search in for furniture, and you want to make sure that the product has the coupon code or the offer as well. Now I'll just select this very first furniture, as you can see. Now once you select it, what you can do is here you want to simply tap on buy now option at the bottom right corner of your screen, and once you do so, here you want to select it and you want to tap on continue. And now here under summary, you can see the promo code option. You want to simply tap on it and you want to simply enter in your code here. You can long tap and you can paste the code here, and you want to simply tap on apply, and you'll see that it'll be applied. Now the other amount existing is under minimum spend for this promo code, as you can see here, so it's not being used. So you want to make sure that the promo code is usable and the product has the promo code option available as well. So this way you can easily use AliExpress coupon code. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.